How to turn off mentions and tags notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off mentions and tags notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and now click settings and privacy and scroll down. Here you will find push notifications. Click on it and then just scroll down again until you find this one mentions and tags, and then just turn it off by one click and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.